So good evening everyone, good evening guys, good evening. Good afternoon rather, good afternoon everyone. Good afternoon. So guys, just confirm me, is audio video clear? Please let me know, is audio video clear everyone? We'll be solving all the PYQs of building material and construction. Good afternoon everyone, good afternoon. Please confirm, is audio video clear? There is a update for you guys that the Abhyas session will be at 5 p.m. There is a update for you guys. Abhyas session will be at GATE MECE channel at 5 p.m. So please be present at 5 p.m. Good afternoon. Please be present at 5 p.m. Is that clear everyone? Just give me a thumbs up sign in the comment box. That will be at 5 p.m. Good afternoon everyone, good afternoon. So please be present at 5 p.m. at GATE MECE channel. Sure. So let's solve the question without wasting much of our time. Right. First question. See, we'll be doing a rapid fire because in these types of questions we don't require much of time. Right. So let's do a rapid fire. Setting time of cement is determined using setting time of cement. For setting time we use which type of test among them? The 𝐂𝐽𝐻 apparatus, right? There are only 16-17 questions. 16-17 questions, right? So it will not be a very long session, hardly 30 minutes, 40 minute session. Hardly 30-40 minute session. So guys, let's do this, and at 5 p.m. that's why I took the next session at 5 p.m. so that we can wrap up soon today. Next question. The 𝐂𝐻 apparatus is used to determine. See, all these questions are asked in GATE exam, previous year GATE exam. So 𝐂𝐻 apparatus is used for which one? The 𝐂𝐻 apparatus is used for which one among these tests? Very quickly, right? See, the subject is very easy. The soundness. Can you guys tell me the 𝐂𝐻 flask is used for which test? The 𝐂𝐻 flask is used for which test? The 𝐂𝐻 flask is used for which test? Please let me know everyone. Yes, specific gravity, right? Specific gravity. It is used for specific gravity. Good. Next, this is a match the following question. I'm giving you time. Please take your time. Match the following question. This is our third question. The match the following question. 𝐂𝐻 test. 𝐂𝐻 test. Right, it is for soundness. For P it will be 1. VB test is for workability, right? So consistency or workability of concrete, so it will be 3. Blaine's air permeability test, this is for fineness, right? Fineness, so for R it will be 4. And this 𝐂𝐻 apparatus 2, consistency and setting time of OPC. So answer would be option A. Very good. Very good. Answer would be option A, right? There are 16 or 17 questions asked till date. We'll be solving each and every question, right? So match all the possible combination between column X, cement compounds, and column Y, the cement properties. C3S. C3S is responsible for early age strength. Okay, early age strength. So for 1 it will be P. C2S. Later age strength, it will be Q. And lowest heat of hydration also. Lowest heat of hydration also, so it will be T. C3A. Flash setting and highest heat of hydration. R and S. R and S. Right. R and S. So answer would be A. Again, answer would be A. Again, answer would be A. Right. Fine. Next, during the process of hydration of cement, due to increase in dicalcium silicate, that is C2S, content in cement clinker, the heat of hydration does not change, decreases, initially decreases, then increases, increases. What should be the answer? What should be the answer? This is our fifth question. Heat of hydration. Hey, C2S. Why decreases only? Decreases only. Decreases only. Answer would be B. See, we have C3S and C2S. If you are increasing C2S, right, as in totality, if you are increasing C2S, then heat of hydration would get what? Decrease, because this, if you are increasing this, this would be reduced. If you are increasing this, C3S will be reduced. Then what will happen? Ultimately, heat of hydration would be decreased, because this is somewhere around 500 joule per gram and this is somewhere around 260 joule per gram. Agreed? So answer would be option B. Clear, everyone? Option B. Is that clear? Good. Next question. The compound which is largely responsible for initial setting and early strength gain of ordinary Portland cement. Responsible for initial setting and early strength. So we know answer would be what? Initial strength and early setting. So answer would be what? Option B. Right? C3S, option B. Guys, we'll be meeting at 5 p.m. Today at 5 p.m. We'll be doing Abhyas, not at 7 p.m. 5 p.m. we'll be doing Abhyas. Good. Again, I am repeating. Which of the following equation is correct for pozzolanic reaction? Yesterday I have told you. Yesterday I have told you this. Yesterday I have told you this. Again, for this question, answer would be what? B, right? Free lime plus silica from pozzolana plus water. That will give us CSH gel. That will give us CSH gel. Right? Only these questions were asked from next question. Gypsum is typically added in cement too. Why gypsum is added? Why gypsum is added in cement? Why gypsum is added in cement? Option C. Right? Why gypsum is added in cement? Option C, to prevent quick setting. To prevent quick setting. Good. These questions were only asked pertaining to cement. All the question of cement I have discussed. Was it easy? Cement was easy, yes or no? Cement was easy, yes or no? Cement was easy, right? It was very easy. See, they ask you very easy questions and everything we have discussed yesterday. Now we will be moving to concrete. This question is year of 2003. There were only 3 options. There were only 3 options. So please let me know. In cement concrete mix design, with the increase in water cement ratio, which of the following statement is true? Which of the following statement is true? What will happen? What will happen? A, compressive strength increases, compressive strength decreases but workability increases. Why decrease? Why there is a decrease in compressive strength? Simply the answer is very simple. Sir, porosity will increase because free water will increase and free water will lead to capillary action and it will decrease the porosity. sorry, it will increase the porosity and the compressive strength will decrease. This is a numerical question. So let me give you a time, 1 minute time, not to solve the question. Just read the question and feel the question. Meanwhile, I'll just grab my calculator. I'll search my calculator. Yes, I got my calculator. I got my calculator. Please read the question. हाँ होगा ही यार, होगा ही. Right. Read the question. Yesterday I have told you regarding the mixed design. Yesterday I have told you regarding the mixed design. I told you that we'll be solving it with the help of questions. We'll be solving it with the help of questions, right? So same we are doing over here. Read the question. I just want you to read the question. I just want you to read the question, guys. Nothing more than that. Nothing more than that. Read it. Let's solve. And some of you might be afraid of this question, sir, how to deal with this question. See, the questions are very easy. Questions are very easy. Just understand this fundamentally. See, the composition of air entrained concrete is given below, right? Water is how much? In 1 m³ concrete, 184 kg water is there, right? 368 kg cement is there for 1 m³ concrete. Fine, no issues. Sand is how much? 606 kg. Coarse aggregate is how much? 1155. Assuming the specific gravity of OPC, sand and coarse aggregate to be 3.14, 2.67, 2.74 respectively. The air content is, right? The air content is, right? Good, guys. Good, good. Now, can I tell the volume of cement plus volume of sand plus volume of coarse aggregate plus volume of air? This total volume will be 1 m³. This total volume will be how much? 1 m³. Everybody agrees? Everybody agrees up to this point? Volume of cement plus volume of sand plus coarse aggregate plus air. This total volume will be how much? 1 m³. I have the information about all this, right? If I somehow calculate all this, then I'll be getting the volume of air. That is the simple. That's what we have to solve, right? So let's solve this. Volume of cement. Can I write volume of cement will be mass of cement by rho cement, mass of sand by rho sand, mass of coarse aggregate, mass of coarse aggregate by rho coarse aggregate plus volume of air is equal to 1 m³. Is equal to 1 m³. Sorry, volume of water also. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I just missed it. Volume of water plus volume of air is equal to 1 m³. Thank you. Right. So, mass of water divided by rho water plus volume of air is equal to 1 m³. I just missed water. Just missed water. Right. These are 4. Yes. Plus 5. Air. Thank you, Megha ji. Right? Tillu bhai also got the answer. Now, mass of cement. How much is mass of cement? OPC is 360 kg per m³. See, we are dealing for 1 m³, so all this will be in terms of kg. So, 368 kg. Right? How much is rho cement? The specific gravity of cement is 3.14. So, can I write 3.14 into 1000 kg per m³? Because this is specific gravity. Specific gravity, can I write this? Yes, sir, we can simply write this, right? I'll just write this over here, start over here. 368 divided by how much? 3.14 into 1000 plus sand. How much is sand? 606. 606 divided by, for sand, OPC sand, right, 2.67, it will be 2.67 into 1000 plus coarse aggregate, right? How much is coarse aggregate? 1155 divided by specific gravity of coarse aggregate is 2.74. 2.74 into 1000 plus water, mass of water, how much? 184 kg. 184 divided by 1000 kg per m cube plus volume of air is equal to 1 m cube. So on solving this, can I get volume of air? Can I get volume of air on solving this? I will get volume of air is equal to 0.0503, I guess. Right? It will be m cube per m cube. In 1 m cube concrete, this much m cube of volume of air will be there. So let us assume, right, because I have to gain in terms of liters. So in 1 m cube, there is 1000 liters of air, same as water. Right, so volume of air will be equal to 50.3 liters for 1 m cube. Got the answer? So this will be 50.3. Any confusion, any doubt? Otherwise, please write CC in the comment box. Otherwise, please write CC in the comment box. Otherwise, please write CC in the comment box. Good. Next question. The maximum applied load on a cylinder concrete specimen, diameter 150 mm and 300 mm length, right? The standard specimen is there as per split tensile strength test guidelines of IS 5816 157 kilonewton. The split tensile strength in MPa. In MPa, right? MPa. So FCT is equal to 2P by pi dl 2 into how much is load? 157. Please remember that the load is given in kilonewton. So let's convert this into Newton. So 10 to the power of 3 divided by pi. Diameter is 300 mm. Sorry, 150 mm. Length is 300 mm. Right, so what value we are getting? What value we are getting? 2 into 157 into 10 to the power of 3 divided by pi into 300 into 150. One 2.22 2.22 unit will be Newton per mm square. So how much it will be? 2.22 megapascal, because 1 Newton per mm square is equal to 1 megapascal. 1 Newton per mm square is equal to 1 megapascal. Agreed, everyone? So this is done. It's easy. Concrete is over. Now there are certain questions asked on bricks, timber, although that is not in syllabus. That is not in syllabus, bricks and timber, but still, since the number of questions were very less, so I just brought those questions. As per Indian standard, the minimum acceptable compressive strength of any class of burnt clay brick is how much? So that is 3.3 Newton per mm square, 3.5. Right answer would be 3.5. D. D. This is our answer. Although it is not in syllabus, right, I am giving you the answer. I am giving you the answer. A is not the answer, Subodhji, that is for class 1 brick. 10 Newton per 10 megapascal is for first class brick. Next, bull trench kiln is used for the manufacturing of, it's a very famous kiln which is used for the manufacturing of what? Bricks, right? They've asked very simple question although, but this is out of syllabus. It is not mentioned in the syllabus. Not at all mentioned in the syllabus. And guys, Abhyas will be at 5 p.m. Again, I am reminding you, Abhyas will be at 5 p.m. So please be there at 5 p.m. I'll be bringing certain good questions and it will be again a short session. Next, seasoning of timber. Seasoning of timber. Why do we do seasoning of timber? Why do we do seasoning of timber? D. To increase strength and durability of timber. To increase strength and durability of timber. Good. Next question. Properties of aggregate. Soundness test. Right? Soundness test. In case of aggregate, it is done for resistance to weathering. 2. Crushing test is done for strength. Crushing test is done for strength. Los Angeles abrasion test. This you do in highway also. Los Angeles abrasion test for highway also, right? That is for hardness. 4. Stripping value test. That is for adhesion, right? Highway also. So 3. So 2, 1, 4, 3. This question also pertains to highway. So answer would be option C. This question also pertains to highway. Right. This question I will solve at the last. This question. First solve this question and then I will come back to that question again. What should be the answer? 4.3. Fineness modulus is being told as 4.3. Now, let me tell you, there are 10 sieves. Micrometer, 300 micrometer, 600 micrometer, 1.18 mm, 2.36 mm, 4.75 mm, then 10 mm, then 20 mm, 40 mm, twice of it, 80 mm. Let's count once. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, and 10th. Now, as per the question, the fineness modulus is 4.3. So it will be somewhere between these two. The fineness modulus is 4.3. Right? It will be somewhere between 1.18 and 2.36. So accordingly answer would be how much? Accordingly answer would be how much? Option C. But these sieves you have to remember. These sieves you have to remember. Accordingly, our answer is option C. Everyone clear up to this point? This is the second last question of today. This is the second last question of today, right? So this question is only left out. Will you try this question? Will you try this question? See, I don't believe in wasting time of students. So I keep the pace. Wherever it is required to clear the concept, I clear the concept and then move. Because this is not the time to tell you the story. So try this question. Try on your own. Try on your own. It's an easy question. Try this question. Last question of today. We have a box, right, in this question. Shall I solve? See, how much is the volume of box? And guys, just trust me, we have solved every single question of this subject. Right, 50 centimeter. So 0.5 into 0.5 into 0.5. So it will be 0.125 m cube. Right, is filled to the top with dry coarse aggregate of mass 187.5 kg, right? The water absorption and the specific gravity of the aggregate are 0.5%, fine. Specific gravity is 2.5, respectively. The maximum quantity of water in kg round off to 2 decimal places required to fill the box completely. So can I tell that basically volume of water plus volume of coarse aggregate will be equal to volume of box, right? Regarding water absorption, we'll be discussing it separately. Because when we'll be filling, first we'll be filling coarse aggregate in the box and then we'll be filling water in that, assuming there is no air. Because when we are filling water up to the top, because it is written is filled up to the top, right? Then there will not be any air. So only water and coarse aggregate would be there. Volume of box is known to us. Right? So volume of coarse aggregate would be mass of coarse aggregate divided by rho coarse aggregate plus volume of water is equal to volume of box 0.125. Right. Now mass of coarse aggregate is 187.5 divided by rho. That will be 2.5 into 1000. Is equal to volume of plus volume of water is equal to 0.125. Right, 0.125. So volume of water will be how much? 187.5 divided by 2500 plus x equal to 0.125. So, volume of water, is it coming 0.05 m cube? It means it is how much? 50 liters. It is how much? 50 liters. Right? 50 liters. Along with that, in the question, it is written that there is a water absorption of how much? 0.5%. This 0.5% will come from where? 187.5 kg. So, volume of water absorption will be 187.5 into 0.5%, that is 0.5 by 100. So, it will be 1.875 into 0.5. It will be 0.9375 kg or liters, because 1 kg water is equal to 1 liter. So, total water 50 plus 0.94, because we have to give answer up to 2 decimal. So, that will be 50.94 liters. 50.94 liters. So, answer will be 50.94. Any confusion? Right? 1 kg will be 1 liter only. Any confusion? So that finishes our this discussion, guys. We have solved 16 or 17 questions which were asked in the examination. I did not count. I believe these are 17 questions, right? So all 17 we have solved which were asked in the examination till date. So every single question is being solved over here. Rest will meet at 5 p.m. Not at 7 p.m. We'll meet at 5 p.m. So guys, let's not waste the time of each other. In less time, you should have maximum output. Welcome everyone, welcome. Let's meet at 5 p.m. Bye-bye. Thank you. That's all in this session. Jai Hind.